Hi everyone, it's Stefan here. So today we are going to highlight an exciting partnership between Numbers Protocol and AV Mapping. So Numbers and AV Mapping has announced our partnership last year, and after a bit of technical integration, we are now revealing the details of our combined effort being put into practice. And of course, what we offers to the global creators. And today we have Frinny, the founders of AV Mapping, and as well Natalie, the lead of global outreach at Numbers Protocol. Welcome, Natalie and Frinny.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thanks so much for joining us. We have a lot of covers today, so how about we start off with a bit of introductions? Frinny, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Everyone, I'm Frinny. I'm the founder and CEO of AV Mapping. I was a film composer, and then I realized there's some problems that I can solve for our filmmakers, clients with the music and audio part. So that's why we start with AV Mapping, and we can introduce AV Mapping later.
Yeah, great to have you with us, Frinny. How about you, Natalie?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Natalie, and I'm currently taking a role as a lead of global outreach in the numbers team. And my responsibility involves engaging with influencers, communities, and partners around the world, and to advocating that's what the team has been working on around provenance. Of course, that to invite them all to join to fulfill our missions on working on this. Nice meeting you all.
Awesome. So I'm super happy to have you guys with us today. So let's dive straight in. Frini, can you give us an introduction to AV mapping and the problem you are aiming to solve, and of course, what it offers to the industry?
Yeah. So, as a film composer, I can help with the filmmakers to find millions music for their videos immediately. Then I found out maybe AI technologies can help it. And also, we need to sign the contracts with all kinds of musicians around the world, which is time consuming. That might be cost up to health years to finish this one for one movie. So it just takes time. So we started A/B mapping to shorten all the process by in 2,000 times faster to just within this click instead of communication. So A/B mapping is an AI to our mission is to revolutionize the way multimedia content is produced and making it more accessible, efficient, and personalized. We tackled the challenge of time-consuming and resource-intensive content creations by AI to automate and enhance the creative workflow, allowing creators to focus on the art of storytelling.
Interesting. So, in simple terms, I think AV mapping makes creating video easier, faster, and more efficient with the aid of AI. And in the realm of AI, I think content security and origin are very crucial. So, how does AV mapping ensure the traceability and protection of digital asset? And what makes you want to team up with the numbers protocol?
Yeah, so on our AV mapping, the website there, musicians can check out the transaction detail, and also the filmmakers, they can check the transaction detail. And after they upload their music or content to the platform, you can check everything from there. So it's really important to check to ensure that content about the cyber security as well. So we partner with numbers that we want to embed the blockchain technologies to create a transparent and immutable record of the content creation and distributions. So this is not only secures the origin of digital assets, but also ensure that creators are fairly credited and be paid for their works.
There's some very important features for creators out there. Of I would like to say is the most important features. So, how is it, Natalie? Anything you would like to add?
Yeah. Well, part of the values was that, let's say, core values that sit within the numbers teams are privacy and security. I think that all the teams and the co-founders, they care a lot about what kind of the contents they are reading, who is accessing their data, etc. So we care that for our users and our community as well. So in the past years, we have witnessed like a lot of discussions, debates, and like even lawsuits during the arguing the ownership of the content, the source of the data set, or even the content ownership, etc. So like we talk about, I mean, we already witnessed so much progress or so much development happening in regard of the AI. And it goes without saying that the importance of contents ownership or traceability. And also, like recently, we see that the big tech giants like Meta or OpenAI, they are all both making a progress as well around like how they can support their users to recognize the content either from the AI tools, or when you are using the generative tools, you can actually labeling this is created with this certain tools. And Numbers' mission is to ensure the provenance of contents. So we help creators we help sort of like to restore the trust in the media for everyone. I think that's very much needed on the current internet world, let's say. So it's all around the service that we provide. It's all around infrastructure that we build, and we do not only support creators directly, but also support the business that create content or work on content creations, such as app mapping. So the collaboration with Frinny is that it's set to expand our support to more creators in different domains, like in the music sector, in the videos. And I think Frini and her teams are developing great tool to make it so much easier to create with the support from AI, of course. And Numbers team has been working on the traceabilities. Then so why now we work together? I think that's like how it all gets to start.
Yeah, of course. But do you think maybe you could expand a bit on what Numbers Protocol does to the traceable assets for the listeners who aren't familiar with what we do?
Yeah, absolutely. So, as mentioned previously, is that Numbers' mission is to ensure the provenance of content and to help restore the trust in the media for everyone. So, we utilize blockchain technology to preserve the provenance of digital media to ensure the transparency and trust. So, it enables the verification of the content creators and also to detect potential manipulation by AI. So we bring any format of digital media content and its metadata to the blockchain, and also to create an immutable record as a start. This is only just a start, but it already allows anyone out there to verify the original content and its creators. This is very important for the global creator, let's say. And then we continue updating the activities of the content, such as ownership transfer and license sale, or even the usage of the contents on different sites. So overall, we bring the whole story behind every media contents to the generals. So by enable this transparency and traceability of media contents, we all would have more confidence in using well in the things that we see or read online, and also to trust them even more. I think that's where that we get to build a more, let's say, healthy ecosystem, and even like build this trust between people and the media file that we see, or even with the creators that behind this.
Yeah, great. So I also think trust is one of the most important stuff we could have today. So thanks for breaking it down for us, Natalie. And so, Frinny, how does integrating Numbers Protocol blockchain technology enhance AV Mapping's AI-driven applications?
So I'm glad that we can make it together because like we both take care of the creators and the industries. So we want the creators that can have the most from our both like collaborations together, like both platforms. So after we dealt with some technologies issues, yeah, we have both have products that work with different industry before, like similar but quite different, like file type or format and yeah, many things. So now we finally can say that the creators can now easily register their works on the blockchain through AD mapping, and we will automatically connect to numbers protocols. So um, creators can not only like check from both sides and also ensuring the originalities and the traceability. So once the creator's works are registered on the blockchains, all the transaction records are transparent and recorded on the chain. So we can prevent the potential misuse or tampering and someone like stole it or not. So in today's digital era, protecting the originality for creators and musicians is a really important and difficult challenge. So for AV mapping, we integrate the numerous protocol. Sorry again. For AV mapping, integrating numerous protocols, blockchain technologies is crucial, and in safeguarding our users' works. So numbers adds a powerful layer of content authenticity on our platform. So as a service promoting the well-being and success of creators, we are proud to offer these highly efficient and affordable features. Apply to all creatives regardless of their appearance, numbers of followers, or the background.
Thank you for sharing your experience in integrating numbers. Then Natalie, would you like to share a bit more on how do the content verification and creative tools offered by Numbers Protocol works, and what unique value do they provide to AI-driven companies?
Yeah. So when talking about applications, we definitely have to introduce Capture, which is our service suite for individual and also business as for you as well. From the process from create to protect and also to publish, it basically cover the whole process already. So Capture Cam is more like the full mobile interface, and then we have the Capture dashboard that's more for desktop solution, and of course we have Capture SDK that's allow the business to integrate with us, such as like to be used by every mapping as well. And Capture Eyes more the widget to implement on the site, so it can showcase the provenance data to the generals. And with the really tremendous increase of AI generated content I already mentioned previously, we really recognize that the responsibility and the need to make the traceability available for AI generated content. So in our Capture dashboard, users can indicate the content is made with what specific AI tool, and also furthermore, as user can also choose to opt in or opt out of the training data sets, which can be licensed in the future whenever there's any AI company is searching for ethical or clean data sets. And then of course, the asset owner, the creator themselves will be compensated, will be getting the revenue out from their content to be used in the data set. And with the same approach, we are helping the business and the brand to achieve the same goal in terms of AI generated content. So, for example, with every mapping in the long run, we also see when the model is getting even better and better to recognize both to recommend the content to the creators. In the long run, we can make the traceability not only just in the music, in the video as well, and the whole web of relationship between asset can be recognized. Then it brings a very, let's say, healthy and also very trustworthy relationship between creators. So in the futures, the more creator will be willing to sort of co-create together because they knows that their works will be credited, their work will be compensated in a way that's being recognized. So I think that's more the future that we are also looking toward as well. Yeah.
Great. So since both numbers and AV mapping are supporting the creators ecosystem, I would like to get both of your views on how how does this collaboration amplify the user experience, and what does it mean to the global creators? And also, do you guys see the convergence of AI and blockchain evolving in the next maybe 5 years, especially given this collaboration?
Yeah, creators can safeguard their work within few clicks really easily right now. So without worrying the authenticity, they can focus on their expertise, like improving the quality and creativity of their works. And everything we are building sustainability on especially technologies for industries. So which can synergize like instead of overpowering the creativities. With the AI and blockchain as two leaders, kind of the leaders in the technology innovations, we are optimistic to see like there's more exciting cross industries collaborations coming, and there's still many chances to explore from distributions, monetizations, or everything. So we are here to help.
Yeah. Well, they say that creators are and content owners. They say they are the very important part of within Numbers ecosystem and also our partners. I often share with our creators and to learn about what they use, what kind of tools that they use in their creativity journey, because very important for Numbers is that the provenance is not really is something that we can support in a more multifunction way, because that's also the stars why we are looking to work with more creativity tools platform like Avi Mapping to work together. And we are really happy that we will be able to work with Avi Mapping on this collaboration and to support their music and video creators. Most of us that we enjoys, well, I think we listen to music and watch videos almost every day, right? But a lot of times that we forget that there are a lot more professionals that contributing to the success of this outcome, and no one really know about that unless we really deeper to research about who are the creator, who are the songwriter, who are the producers behind those music. And I think Numbers can tell the story behind, and that's also our responsibility, let's say, to bring this up front. So then those people are not only just stay behind, they can be recognized, they can be respected. And I think that's also the unique values that Numbers can bring that no one else can do, let's say. And majority still would have the misunderstanding about blockchain, and also only relate it to the cryptocurrency. It's a bit sad to say this, but I believe that as long as we keep advocating and also to showcase the more use cases that you utilizing blockchain, and it will prove itself. And I think we all agree that AI will play a very, let's say, vital, very important role in the next 5 to 10 years. And so does blockchain, I believe. There will only be more integration between blockchains and AIs. And I believe the collaboration with every mapping is just a start. There are a lot more things that we can do, and also to work together that both products can evolve as well as the both product and service evolve. Every mapping will be also serving more creators or different stakeholders in the music and video production industry.
Awesome. I think my personal view is I think in the next few years we may witness the internet transform. It might not be the same from what we experience right now, and I'm really glad that both team are contributing to the transformation in a positive way. And finally, I believe there may be other parties out there that are interested in collaboration with AV mapping and numbers protocol. So, uh, just to clarify for our listeners, so if they were interested, so how can interested parties get involved, contribute, and maybe benefit from the combined efforts of numbers protocol and AV mapping?
For AV mapping, we have the AI, like I said, API service or the SaaS service that okay, also you can integrate into different kind of software or applications So we are also, I would love to talk more about the infinite possibilities around film, videos, and music with AI and Web3 world. So inviting all the filmmakers and photographers, advertisement agency, and brands and video production, musicians and professionals. While they are all content creators, but they have uh, different kinds of the expertise, and they are all in the like different entertainment film industries. So anyway, so from media or TV broadcaster, like you can also join AV mappings. We have affiliations, and we can create more art together. And like creators, like you can also showcase the film, fashion collection, music, or in our fan festivals and metaverse showroom. And everything we offer a platform to enhance your passive income and global exposure. So right now you just need to upload your works and start shining. And for software developers, like you can just have our API connections and expand your service. So you can reach out through our website like avmapping.co or find me like Frinny Lee on LinkedIn, and we can keep in touch and start from there.
As Stefan mentions, that numbers team is always happy to chat. Same as me, that I'm always happy to have a call to chat and learn about any of the new project or any of the business who are interested in working with numbers. So if there's anyone out there who wants to learn more about how numbers team and how technology could support on your business, and also to explore the collaboration opportunities, then do reach out to me on LinkedIn or visit our websites and leave the message. And our team will definitely get back to you soon. And also, I would like to call for all the video or music creators or in Numbers community. If you are on the journey of creating music or creating videos, do try out Epic Mapping's platforms and see that how the production make it so much easier. And also, of course, you will get a provenance record directly out from there as well.
Okay, so that concludes our interview. So once again, I would like to thank both of you guys, Frinny and Natalie, to provide your insights. I think AI and blockchain will change our life and the way we work. So of course, we'll continuously bring more collaboration to the audience. So stay tuned. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.